Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of a homepage on Pinterest. To know how to fix or how to solve homepage on Pinterest app, you will click on settings. In the first page you can find apps here on the page of settings. Then you can click on Pinterest and you will search about it like this. Then you can click on first app and you will click OK. Here we'll enter to storage. Then you can click clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can cause you errors or can delete your account. In the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.